Guys, pakaipa mana zvakaoma tiri panapa paTrabablas Interchange the new roundabout. One guys, paitika a deadly accident. Pane rori rikunzi ranga richimhanya zvisingaite. Saka rori iri raluza control ende munhu I think it was his first time kudarika panapa paTrabablas. Saka rori rabeuka and diesel riri kurasika all over the place, like pese pane diesel. Pakashata road yatovharwa. Pese pane diesel and diesel riri kurasika zvingaite. Ndiriona chona rakudubuka. Vamwe vari kuti driver afire papo, vamwe vari kuti driver aenda kuchipatara. Saka asanyatsoona chokwadi kuti driver asurvive here. But so far pane rori, pane crane kuzama kusimudza rori and police iri panapa zvakare. Saka guys, ndikushowi kana muri wanyowani paTrabablas panapa, please don't speed, don't rush. Zvanaitaura maZimbabweans musavhunduke road nyowani iri panapa paTrabablas. Make sure you're being very careful because like upenyu wakakosha. Tisida kuramba tichirasikirwa neupenyu. The last time it was Seki road, this time we can't be losing people at Trabablas again. So guys, I want to show you what's happening here. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it. Hapana wangosvikocho uno accident. Saka nsichetika umana amuna angachimhanya. Haana kufira baba. Angokwara. Trabablas wamana accident yaitika. Pakaipa. Saka munhu wachona ndi kuchipatara. Zviri kangwai? Ma7. Saka paroad unzwa crane. Pakashata. Trabablas wamana paitika accident. Meno chichaitike papa. Parori rabeuka. Yes. Merasa. Ish, itu sih. Mawani. Pakashata. Anza anakufa iri munhu. I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? It's so sad. There's no rewards. There's no serious. God drive zvakanaka munzira metsaona munzira dziri kuraya. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Let's get it.